I've worked with startups, Fortune 100s, and family businesses just like yours. What do they all have in common? They want their brand to mean something. Hi, I'm Marnie Kittleson, executive, consultant, professor, and family business champion. And I'm thrilled to be leading a pre-conference workshop again this year for the Prairie Family Business Association. Branding without bragging is all about making your story work harder for your customers, your team, and your future. We'll talk through common roadblocks family businesses face when it comes to self-promotion. We'll break down the basics of branding and give you actionable strategies to build visibility without sacrificing humility. You'll walk away with ideas you can implement immediately, a self-assessment tool to guide your next steps, and fresh ways to market with authenticity. So please join me April 29th at 1 o'clock. Let's make your brand as strong as your legacy. See you there.